Hello everyone and welcome to another one in these series of tips and tricks on Alibre. Now today we will see one of my favorite sketch constraints, and I really like this one mainly because I wish other CAD systems had it. Some do, some don't. So we all know what happens if I define a line as tangent to a circle, right? We know what a tangent is. This is the tangent. But what I really like is what happens if you define a line as vertical to a circle. And what happens is you make that line go through the center of the circle. What it does effectively is it becomes vertical to the tangent line at the point it intersects the circle, right? It becomes, or another way you could define it geometrically is if you say that it becomes collinear to the radius, because the radius is always vertical to the tangent to the circle, right? So this can save a lot of time if you want to do something like that. And of course it works for lines that do not necessarily touch the circle, right? Works the same way, you can clearly see. But now it always goes through the center of this line. And the really cool part with using the vertical constraint this way is it also works on other types of curves. It works on spline curves, right? So if I take the vertical constraint and I click this line, I click on the spline. Oh, why not? Come on. Yes, there we go. Hmm. Uh, so what just happened is now this line is always vertical to the tangent to that spline, right? At the intersection point, at the extended intersection point. Now, if I make it larger, they actually do intersect. It's always vertical to that point. And that's very, very useful, right? So, thank you for watching this one, and I hope you found it helpful, and I hope I see you on the next one.